Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Jim here. Saturday night, about 8:30 in the evening. I'm headed over here to the post office to pick up my medications from the VA. Hope y'all's day been a good one. I've enjoyed my day pretty well. Of course, I didn't get up till about 7:30 this morning. I slept in. Of course, I didn't go to bed till 2:30 this morning. I don't know what's going on with me here lately. I'm reverting back to staying up late and sleeping in a little bit, whereas I have been going to bed around, I don't know, 10:30 at the latest. Of course, I can't seem to get away from my four-hour trucking schedule for some reason after all these years of being retired. But at any rate, that's what's going on. But so I got up around, like I said, about 7:30 I guess it was. Fixed me some coffee and got online and all that jazz, you know. And I got online, like I said, and I downloaded the Chrome operating system for your laptop. And I put it on a hard drive. I mean, not a hard drive, but a flash drive. And I tell you what, it is fantastic. I mean, it is great. The whole laptop is not as fast as it used to be. Of course, it's, you know, a few years old now, but I tell you what, with this Chrome operating system, man, it's like blazingly fast. I don't know what they did to that operating system, but I tell you what, it sure perked up, made my laptop wake up and take notice. I know that. So anyway, I missed that till about, I don't know, about 9:30, I guess, 10 o'clock. And I tell you what, and honestly, I have been watching videos from my buddy Russ over at RV TV all day long, clear up to the right before I walked out the door a while ago. He bought a new 2019 ProMaster extended length not too long ago, and so he's got 31. He had 31 videos of him building it out. So I've been watching them all day long. I'm into them do-it-yourself videos. Of course, you know I'm into gadgets and all that stuff too, but. And I almost passed up the post office because I was yakking. At any rate, I'm here now. But that's all I've been doing all day, is just watching his videos and drinking coffee and, you know, eating every now and then and kind of snoozing in between. But it's been a real nice day. It's been pretty outside also, and hope it's been pretty nice where y'all at. Of course, some of my subscribers, I'm reading today that their weather's kind of cruddy. Well, tomorrow's supposed to get a little cooler, but it's not going to rain. It's going to be cloudy tomorrow on Sunday. But Monday we're supposed to get a little bit of rain, and it's supposed to clear back up again. But anyway, like I said, I'm here at the post office. I'm going to run in here and check my mail, pick up my meds, and I'm not going to record anything going back because y'all have seen this road 100 times as it is, and I'm sure you don't want to see it again. You just saw it coming over here, so I'm sure nothing's going to change from here back over to the house. So anyway, y'all have a great evening. I just want to jump in here and say hello and all that to you. So I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye now.